Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present my research today with my team. My name is Yanis and I will be presenting our study titled Urban Sustainability and Green Consumer Behavior, the support of green characteristic and lifestyle to enhance green preference of consumer. Now let me begin by giving a brief overview of the background of this research. Next. Urban sustainability today is strongly influenced by how consumers behave toward green products. Even though awareness of environmental issues is growing, there is still a gap between what people say they care about and what they actually buy. Factors such as cost, limited availability, and lack of product knowledge often stand in the way. This study seeks to understand how lifestyle, product features, and consumer demographic affect this behavior and how these factors can help promote more sustainable choices. Next. For the problem, the core issue lies in the mismatch between consumer intention and their actual purchasing behavior. While many people agree that green products are better for health and environment, adoption remains low. Problems such as high prices, weak availability, and lack of information contribute to this. At the same time, environmental threats such as pollution and plastic waste continue to damage urban ecosystem and human health. Next. To address this problem, we propose several strategic solutions. First, increasing accessibility and affordability of eco-friendly products. Second, improving education so consumers understand the impact of their choice. Third, encouraging government and business initiatives such as incentive or regulations. Fourth, using targeted marketing that considers consumer lifestyle and demographics. And lastly, we must remove behavioral barriers that prevent people from making sustainable decisions. This combined effort can help support healthier and more sustainable urban living, reduce behavioral barriers to increase adoption of green habits. Next. Now let's move to the theoretical foundation. First, we explore green lifestyle, which reflect how consumers live, spend their money, and express values through daily activities. A green lifestyle includes three indicators such as activity, interest, and opinion. Then we look at the green products attributes such as price, quality, technique, and packaging. These are important in shaping preference because consumers often associate green attributes with long-term health and environmental benefit. Next. Now move to the next, we examine green consumer characteristic, which include environmental awareness, willingness to pay more, brand loyalty, and attitude toward green products. These traits often influence how consistently a person will choose sustainable options. Meanwhile, green consumer preference refers to how much consumer desire of regularly choose green products. This can include health motivation, frequency of consumption, and overall preference compared to non-green alternative. Next. For the hypothesis development, based on the literature, we developed three main hypotheses for this study. First, that a green lifestyle has a positive relation with green consumer preference. Second, that green product attributes also positively affect consumer preference, and third, that green consumer characteristics significantly contribute to this preference. These hypotheses form the basis of our analysis and recommendation. Now, my colleague Jessica will continue by explaining our research methodology and finding in more detail.
Next is the methodology. This research used quantitative methods. The data for this study was gathered via online surveys using a Likert scale 1 to 5, ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Each factor is measured in several ways. We use 3 indicators for green lifestyle, 4 indicators for green product attribute, 6 indicators for green consumer characteristic, and 4 indicators for green consumer preference. The method of research involved a questionnaire of 228 respondents who complete the survey accurately. And the criteria of our respondent for this research are students from University at Bandung, and they had experience with consume of green product. Next, the measurement of variables. In this table, we have 4 variables, that is green lifestyle, green product attribute, green consumer characteristic, and green consumer preference. You can read the question in our questionnaire in this table. The collected data used in this research were tabulated and processed using Smart PLS, employing 2 tests. The first one is PLS algorithm to determine the relationship between variable and test the research instrument. And the second one is bootstrapping to calculate the PET coefficient and test the research hypothesis. Next, the result and discussion table. In this table, we can see the respondent profile that fill our questionnaire. There is age, gender, income, origin residence, and job. You can see the number and the percentage in this table. The questionnaire were distributed directly to our respondent, and the collected result of the survey reached 228 respondents. Next is the construct valid and reliable result. In this table, we can see the Cronbach alpha, rho alpha, and composite reliability have value more than 0.700. So it's mean they all valid and reliable. But in this average variance extracted, we can see the value is less than 0.700. But this is not a concern because most of the results are suitable. In this slide, we can see illustrate the model testing findings, which show that all variable interactions strongly support green customer preference. Next, the instrument loading factor result. The table shows that all outer loading value have p-value less than 0.050. We have 0.000 value in here. So it's indicating that all outer model measurement supported. Last table is bootstrapping result. For this table, the provision is the t-statistic must be more than 1.96 and the p-value must be less than 0.05. The first hypothesis is green lifestyle to green customer preference. The t-statistic is 6.908 and the p-value is 0.000. So this is suggesting a green lifestyle has an improving impact on green customer preference. Next, the second hypothesis, green product attribute to green customer preference. The t-statistic is 2.524 and the p-value is 0.012. This finding confirmed that the hypothesis that green customer prefer products that are in accordance with their commitment to the environment, so they support it. Last, the third hypothesis is green consumer characteristic to green customer preference. The t-statistic is 5.177 and the p-value is 0.000. So the result proved that the higher consumer environmental awareness and pro-environmental behavior, the stronger their preference for product or service that adhere to sustainability principle. The conclusion for this research is this study found that green lifestyle, green product attribute, and green customer characteristic all have a positive correlation with consumer preference for ecologically friendly items. And the more community environmental awareness, the more likely they are to purchase green product that reflects sustainability. Thank you for your attention to our presentation. We hope our research can be useful to your next study and the future. Thank you.